The cryptocurrency market in 2025 is primed for a potential altcoin surge, and as of March 14, 2025, at 10:34 p.m. PDT, savvy investors are hunting for the next big winners altcoins with 100x potential that could turn a modest stake into a fortune. With Bitcoin BTC at $80,996 and Ethereum ETH at $1,902 per CoinGecko dominating the spotlight, altcoins often steal the show in bull runs, offer outsized returns for those who spot them early. So here are 5 top altcoins with the innovation, traction, and market dynamics to potentially skyrocket 100x by year end, based on today's landscape. Pepe Unchained Pepu is a meme coin with a twist, blending viral appeal with a Layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum currently in presale at $0.0099. It's raised over $22 million, signaling massive hype as of March 2025, and its Pepe chain promises faster, cheaper transactions than ETH's mainnet, targeting DeFi and meme-driven utility. Posts on X peg it as a 100x contender, with its low market cap under $50 million fully diluted at launch and staking APY over 100% now, likely to drop drawing early adopters if it lists at $0.05 and rides a 2025 meme wave. A $1 target 100x from presale isn't unthinkable, though its success hinges on community momentum and avoiding pump and dump pitfalls, making it a high-risk, high-reward bet. Cubetics Tick stands out with its AI-driven blockchain toolkit, easing development for dApps. Its presale phase 13 at $0.034 has raised $7 million plus, with 10,600 plus holders and 355 million tokens sold. Per recent updates, and analysts forecast a 39,728% ROI post-launch, for example $1 to 10 plus, driven by its real-world utility in tokenizing assets like real estate. With a 10% weekly price hike and a 20% final surge plan, its low entry point and scalable tech could see it hit 3.5 by Q4 2025 100x plus from now if adoption accelerates competition from ETH and Sol looms, but its niche AI edge gives it breakout potential. Solana Sol, at 1,40150 today, isn't a typical 100x pick with its $65 billion market cap, but it speeds 65,000 TPS and ecosystem growth ents. DeFi keep it in contention. Past cycles saw Sol jump from $1.5 in 2020 to $260 in 2021 170x, and with upgrades like FireDancer boosting scalability. Xbuzz predicts 1,002,000 in 2025 714x, though a 100x to $15,000 would need a $7 trillion market cap. Plausible only in a hyper-bullish crypto boom tied to mass adoption, so Sol's more a 10-20x play unless global conditions explode, but its stability earns it a spot. Cardano ADA trades at 0.50-0.60 with the $20 billion market cap. Known for its research-backed proof-of-stake and eco-friendly edge, its 2020 to 2021 from $0.03 to $3 100x shows precedent. And 2025's focus on DeFi scaling Hydra and partnerships, for example, African projects could drive it to 50-60 100x if it captures market share from ETH, per optimistic X sentiment. Fully diluted, that's a $2 trillion cap. Ambitious, but not impossible in a 2025 alt season. ADA's slow development pace is a risk, yet its loyal community and utility make it a sleeper hit. JetBolt Gbolt is an emerging altcoin with zero gas tech via Scale Network, selling over 200 million tokens in presale at $0.037, boasting a $500 million plus market cap trajectory. Its AI-driven dApps and gamified staking alpha boxes tap into 2025's demand for cost-free blockchain solutions, and X posts tout a 100x shot to 3.5 if it disrupts ETH's gas-heavy model. With a tiny starting cap under $10 million fully diluted, A listing surge to $0. 51 15 30x then 100x growth is feasible if hype and adoption align. Its unproven track record is the gamble, but early momentum shines. These altcoins could crash or soar. BTC's dominance 56, Fed rates 4, 25 4, 50, and tariff risks Trump's 25% threaten dips BTC to $75,000, ETH to 1,660. But ETF flows $55 billion in BTC ETFs and a pro-crypto US shift could fuel a 2025 rally, so scalp Pepu or Gbolt dips 5-10 targets, DCA into Qubetics or ADA 20 weekly, or bet big on Sol stability, storing on a ledger track X for FOMO, CPI March 18, and adoption news 100x isn't guaranteed, but these 5 have the juice to chase it.